Welcome to our channel. If you want to add a payment method to Google Play, follow these simple steps to make purchases and subscriptions easier. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android device or go to play.google.com on your web browser. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Payments and Subscriptions from the menu that appears. Step 4. Tap on Payment Methods to view your current payment options and add new ones. Step 5. Click on Add Payment Method or Add Credit or Debit Card depending on what you want to add. Step 6. Enter your payment information including card number, expiration date, CVV security code, and billing address. Step 7. Review the information you entered to make sure everything is correct, then tap Save or Add Card to complete the process. Step 8. Your new payment method will now appear in your Google Play Payment Methods list and will be available for future purchases, and you can set it as your default payment option if desired. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.